So I've dynoed this car 3 times. Once completely stock, then with a tune and throttle body, then with an exhaust pulley and tune, and now we're gonna dyno at full bolt-on E85. I'm about to go drop off the car for the cams, and before I do, I'm gonna throw the car in the dyno, see how much it makes. Now, I did tell them that I'm on ET Street Rs. I don't have enough time to swap over to a street tire, plus I don't even have my jack with me, and this was all last minute, that I'm gonna just go with my ET Street Rs. I did tell them, they said it's okay. We're not gonna pass 160, and as long as the tires are not bald or anything like that, then we should be all right. And then they're just gonna adjust the tire pressure if needed once we're over there. So I know you shouldn't dyno your car with radios, because it might read lower, or I don't know. We'll see, you never know, it might read lower. I'm not sure. Comment down below. Let me know what you guys think it's going to make horsepower and torque wise. I'm thinking it's going to make 740, 750 wheel. 730 and 750 wheel, I'm cool with. The lower the better, because with the cams, it's going to add 40 to 50 to maybe even 60 wheel, and we got to keep it at 800 wheel. No more, no less. 800, not even 810. Not even 805. We need just 800 flat, all right? 801, I'm cool with. All right, y'all, we are good to go. Get it. Oh man, hopefully she don't blow up on the dyno. Yeah. Either the tire or the motor, man. Hopefully neither of them go. All right, say less.
Right there, look.
Right there.
Oh, we good then.
We good. All right, boys. Let's see how much she makes.
What's up, man? I'm Blake.
Nice to meet you, Nico.
Nice to meet you. You're talking to Tyler?
Yes, sir.
What is it right now?
Just full bolt-on E85.
For sure. Bigger pulley?
Smaller pulley, so 2.4 upper and stock lower.
Stock lower?
Yeah, stock lower.
You get 10% lower.
I'm scared with the motor, man. No. I'm throwing cams in it. I'm actually gonna drop it off later tonight.
Yeah, you good?
First time I've ever loaded up on the dyno. It's kind of cool.
Right?
Shit, we can dyno our own cars.
We can do it. Stupid.
Well, I dynoed it stock, and then I dynoed it tune only, and then I dynoed it like just bolt on, and that was like 660, I think, 650. Yeah. I haven't dynoed it since, so I added the headers and the 85. So
for sure, should probably sitting close to the 730 or 750 area.
I'm hoping. 730, 750. What do you think, Tito?
It's about good 750.
I'm thinking 730. Hey, the lower the better. The lower the better. I do not want it maxed out.
Alright, 720.
I'm not gonna ask for no saucy tune, and I am gonna keep the revs down once I get the cams. So, yeah. I already told you guys my plan. If you guys don't know my plan, watch my last video because
We do like sauce though.
I like sauce. I like sauce.
We do like sauce, ladies and gentlemen. Look at this.
But we're gonna be pushing the limits of this thing. So.
And this is the only vehicle.
And this is my only car right now, so if I just buy the built short block already, I can save my stock short block and sell it, so I can get at least a couple grand back.
It's stupid smart.
I make a lot of stupid decisions, and I think this might be one of them. I'm sure it'll be alright. Alright boys, I don't know what to expect here. I'm not sure how much it's gonna make, but we'll see. I'm pretty excited. I haven't heard the car on the dyno with a full exhaust. I'm sure it's gonna be incredibly loud. So I'm gonna have Tito film from the inside with my phone, and I'm gonna film out here with the camera so I can get a nice exhaust video. Yeah, I don't know how many pulls we're gonna do. Probably 2, 3. Oh yeah, I sit low and I sit high and back.
You sit high and you stay high. I get it.
Oh yeah. Okay. Okay. All right, let's get it. I'm nervous, boys. I'm nervous. This car has just been making me really nervous lately. The fact that I'm gonna be right behind it, I'm gonna have to cover my hair for sure. Nice little first pull. Nice little first pull. Not bad. Not bad. She didn't blow.
No, hell no.
No fucking way.
Oh, no shit.
That's all about right. Yeah.
That's not bad.
That's about right.
No, not a bad first pull. 724 wheel, 694 torque.
That was barely at.
What did they rev it up to?
Oh, that's the power. That's the power. This is strong.
How high was that?
Damn, whoever did your tune. Okay. You know what's funny? I bet you on the GT5s he fucking takes his time, but on the trucks, all the other 5.0s and
he just loads the same tune, calls it a day.
Pretty much.
That's not bad. That's pretty good.
You're still going too. You still
That's
more
barely
power.
at 5. It's at 5. Shit.
Wait, you revved it up to 63, 64?
Okay, well yeah, check this shit out. If I had gone any higher, your speed's already way too high. I'm getting close to the 150, but your speedometer was going about past the 160 area.
And you don't want to pass 160, right?
I definitely don't. Well, the machine will shut down at 160.
Okay, cool.
It's got the new updates on it, so it literally won't let you go past 160.
That's good.
It'll shut the whole machine down.
That's good. That's good.
Yeah, it's just safety concerns too, but shit. I'll do a 3rd gear pull. We'll try to rev it all the way out, and I'll do another 4th gear, and I'll try to get a little more sauce and see if it can go up.
Perfect.
We'll
All
get
right.
that number up.
Sounds good. Thank you.
Right, next one, I'm gonna put the fan on it too.
Okay. Holy shit. This thing sounds like a beast. It didn't blow up, so. It didn't blow up again, we're good. Alright, let's see this one. Alright, this is a 718.
Okay, so you're 1-to-1 4th gear for sure.
Yeah.
I need that for the fact, but I just wanted to see if I could rev it out a little bit more.
It's alright. Yeah, it's a 718. That's not
No, it's still picking up too. That was a lot longer of a pull.
Yeah.
For sure. I'm gonna try and give you a little bit better of a pull, but I just don't want to see that speed, you know? Fuck it, let's see what we can do.
Ah, cool. I wanted to be somewhere in the 7s, so this is perfect. Let's see what she does now. And we're on 80 Street R's, so it's reading much lower. Holy shit, dude. Holy shit.
Oh my gosh.
Oh, even the whole shit went with the shit.
Dyno speed was like, oh no.
But hey,
778.
Oh my god.
it didn't trap it though. But damn, that's a little off. It might be like 5 to 10 horsepower off. But fuck.
Oh. So in that first one, you didn't rev it out high enough. And what gear was that in?
Fourth.
Fourth gear.
That's your fourth gear.
Okay.
Fourth gear, I didn't rev it up high enough because your speedometer was reading at 160.
Okay.
But on the machine, it only read like 148.
Okay.
So that one I tried to go just above 160, but it obviously.
And then I'm on the tires too, so.
Yeah. So I think, I know this is like all fucked up by the tenths, but that might have hit like 165.
Okay.
So I'm gonna turn it off, let it cool
For
down
sure.
for a little bit.
Okay.
And then we'll try and get into the pass.
All right, cool. Appreciate it. All right, all right. So it says right there 778.
778, that's not where we want to be at. That's a little bit too high.
778.
This joint is with a 500. 500.
Full bow tie 85,
Well
man.
taken care of 500 little.
All right, y'all. We're gonna let it cool down. Maybe do one more. It's not making 778.
Well, that kind of blows out the window once you're making about 800 horsepower on a piece of shit. Stop. Stock motor. Oh god. You're already at 800. That puts you at 800 crank. Dude.
Oh, that's 800 crank for
Crank,
sure.
800 crank for sure. 6 to 61.
Okay, 661. And fourth gear?
Fourth gear.
Perfect. Let's see. All right, boys. One last pull. Let's get it. Holy shit. Let's see, boys. Let's see. 748.
That's what I'm talking about.
Woo! That is the perfect number that I'm looking for.
Well, for, you know,
748.
But nah, but
706 torque.
don't get it twisted, ladies and gentlemen. The official number is 778. We're 778.
We're 778.
But for, you know.
That's good. That's good. That's what's up. That's what's up. That's
That fucking torque number is
that
insane.
torque is great,
And
man.
you're still fucking picking up. Get out of here. What the hell?
That's at 60.
Yeah, dude, you're still
That's at
pulling,
60.
too.
Damn.
66? Damn.
That's 66.
100 RPM, yo.
That's at the 747, 748. That's where it's reading the highest power.
Yep.
It's good job, Lund. Good job. Shit.
Damn.
That was
You
so close to
almost reached that
160.
there.
Oh my gosh, that was very close to 160.
That's like the perfect pull.
Perfect pull. Thank you, man.
Yeah,
I'm very happy. Very happy.
Right at like 150.
157, alright.
Shit. Nice.
Awesome.
Cool, man. I'll get you a printout of this.
Awesome. Thank you. Thank you.
Okay, right?
Yo,
Look at that. Successful.
Bros, I'm so proud of you. All right, we're just gonna go with this number, guys. 748, 706 torque. Taking it right to 158 or something like that.
Yeah, 157, 157.
Oh my gosh. Well, guys, right here. Even though it should be 778, but. No, 748.
I can do another one. We can get it right at 159.9.
No, this is good. This is good enough. This is good enough. Well, guys, there you have it. We're a Dark Night Specialties. Is that how you say it? Shout out to them. Thank you guys so much for Dyno in the car.
Friday, we're gonna be doing Dyno meets and shows.
Hell
There's
yeah.
also a little brewery right in front of us that do wings, beers,
Perfect.
pizza, to-go beers. Pop them up over here. Get a little, get a little
Perfect.
tipsy.
Well, shit, guys, there you have it.
Fucking 11 months I've been just bullshit driving it, bro.
God.
Oh yeah, you put this there.
You can't drive it at
No,
all?
I'm engaged
Oh, yeah, that's
in
right,
gears.
that's right. Fuck.
Yeah, 4 months in that body shop, and then the rest of it was just sitting here because it's been broken.
Oh, man. Well, hey, it's gonna come back up, though.
Hell yeah.
For sure.
Step back, major comeback.
Hell yeah. Fucking right. Appreciate
Thank you,
it.
man.
Hey, by the way, I know you've done like little dynos and shit. all your ABS and stability control, all those slides are all on?
Yeah. They come back after a little bit.
About 10 miles an hour, it'll probably kick off. If not, you go through a drive cycle and you'll be good.
Awesome. Thank you so much, man.
Cool, man.
Appreciate it. I'll see y'all soon.
E-brakes on too.
I remembered.
No GPS.
No GPS. Oh yeah, no GPS.
Hey, you know what would also be something pretty solid?
What?
Let's go for a ride.
Stupid.
What you want to hop in?
Fuck yeah, dude.
I can do a pool. I can do a pool.
Yeah, okay.
Alright.
I have a waiver if you want to sign it.
Oh shit, I was supposed to get you to sign it.
Oh, no shit. Oh, no shit, boy. Hey,
That was risky.
it's alright. It's alright.
Yeah, that was risky.
Hey, nothing happened.
Nothing happened.
I don't know what the hell's going on. So it's the school bus right there.
Well, I just wanted to feel the first second. Yo, my shoe literally came out.
Your shoe came off. Shoe came off. Hey, it's too much power.
I hit the clutch in my. That's the best I can do, man. I'm sorry.
She pulls.
Fools.
When I can do the cams and bring it back for the dyno, I got you.
Yeah, for sure. Look, you got this whole road right here.
Right,
too.
yeah, bro. Right here.
It just feels so smooth.
No, it feels good.
Yeah, it feels really smooth.
Definitely hooks better than I thought it was going to as well.
Yeah.
I mean, they're not cold. You can run them on the dyno.
First time I ever done that.
Yeah. All right.
Taking a guy to the ride.
Alright, shit.